Welcome back to Project Watch. This is Serpi. Now, you might have already seen the headlines in the Jamaica Gleaner that the men who were piloting and traveling in the now, what they might call it, mystery plane, right, have fled the country. That's according to the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang. Now, I'm sure the Jamaican people are surprised. Well, the ones that purchase unicorns on a regular basis, right? But this story might not even bother come out. The man them gone a long time. We already knew that. We already knew Jamaica was not capable of catching those men. Even though it's not like say them sneak in or sneak out. There was a whole incident, right? An entire aircraft, one big hullabaloo, pure nice excitement, and the man them still get away. In response to the men escaping, right, and leaving the country, JCF has released the image of the now wanted suspect who helped the men to escape. See him there on your screen right now. In case you're wondering, like how most Jamaicans probably are, how the man they managed to get away. Right, after years the house to house search and everything under control, because we locked down over here, so locked down run and so on. Everybody is working overtime to catch the man them. Now we know how them escape. See the suspect up on your screen? JCF want him. Right. They're asking that if anybody see this suspect, right, do not approach, because he's known to be very lively. If you try rush him from the front, then the honor go juke you. If you try sneak in, right, from the back, well, in back foot them very strong. And if you try running from the side, the wings them might lick you down. Anybody who sees said suspect are being asked to contact 311 or your nearest police station, because a must unicorn the man in fly gone pan, and not just regular unicorn. This unicorn have wings. Not even me of them unicorn, yeah. So Jamaica is a country where an entire plane, not a little, little rowboat where you can sneak in, but a whole plane can come down with man. A man gone. I mean, talk about reassuring. Clearly the borders will surround Jamaica full of all like one of them old time 90 day. When in 90 day were elderly women used to wear. Right. I saw Jamaican border full of holes. The 90 day used to have one little mesh part, pure hole, round the shoulder part and stuff. I saw Jamaica's national border stay. Nobody talk about the airspace. But these are the questions I have. Remember, say JCF did come out, a matter of fact, the police commissioner himself did come out and say them know who fly the plane. Remember that? Stick there on the screen. Right. The man say, we actually know who were flying it. That's a direct quote. So what we want to know is this. Is it a situation where the plane land, say the plane land, the man them come on for the plane, left Jamaica, not get catch, but JCF know who the man them? I mean, I'm curious to know where them get that information from. Because if the man them get catch, they know all on a body, when you see them find an ID left behind or a passport left behind, who give them the information there? One of the local residents make them get way? Or is it where Uncle Sam will already attract the man them and Uncle Sam touch them on them shoulder and say, yo, you know, say, I Felix Guzman, yeah man, him man. I don't know, I'm just asking questions because you have to ask questions. Right. Accountability and all that. Right. Now maybe they might work on some special case and them now go give you the details of the case. That's fine, but that means that the people them know, the people them, well at least I have questions, because remember one time Horace Chang did come out and say 200 guns a month coming to Jamaica. Remember that? But if you ask the question, well, if intelligence tell us so much exact, such a precise figure, then we never also find out who are sending them, where they go, which port they come through, because that's an exact figure. Anybody would know that information, if you tell you the exact figure, they must also have some of that information. 200 are coming a month, who send them? Where the man them name? We don't have a name? Where the ups there? Where the ups there against them people? They must have something. Whenever these press releases come out, right, people treat them like it operating in a vacuum, like, oh, we know the identities of the man name, but not no more. Oh, 200 guns a month coming, not no more. What about the... I mean, all I say is, I have questions. But since them know who, doesn't that mean Jamaica have some kind of legal right to say? Let's say, for example, it's Senior Felix Guzman. The fact say, you come, bring down your plane on Jamaican soil, Jamaican waters. Doesn't Jamaica have some kind of legal authority if you can say, bring him back to Jamaica? Surely, because I'm thinking if a Jamaican fly over America and him thing, right, the plane come down over Miami, in a Miami waters, and then him cut and take himself come back to Jamaica. Uncle Sam is saying for him, because Uncle Sam have questions. Where they do in our airspace, where they do in our waters, right, and where they carry. So in my opinion, they might deal with this thing too casual. Since you don't know the man them identity, and now you don't know if your facts then gone back, wherever they might come from. Something that can go on. This sound like say, well, them gone now, so I saw it go. Certain countries, and I saw it go, you know. And I saw it go. This can't done just so. But them know more than me, them know what them know. Ask yourself this question, you think say a plane full of Jamaicans could go down to any country and them they get name and shame? The countries, the security forces in that country and the government find out the name of the Jamaicans and them they get name and shame? We need to see what happened. With the woman. Jamaican National was literally added to her name. Right? They were like, this is her name, and right beside them are Jamaican National. Same thing with the youth in St. Vincent. The rest of the world, if not Jamaican get catching in the waters, you better know, Simple Simon and Simple Simone, you will be paraded on TV, and then they catch you, but they find one picture of you, they know your identity, the whole world are gonna know about you. Now Jamaican not get them break ya, because other countries not run no joke, especially with foreign people in them place. Right? But because Jamaica, right, is a laughing stock and a playing ground, right, for not just local criminals but also international ones, them things that can go on it. And it set a precedence, so the rest of man them will fly upon, because we know say plane a fly in under Jamaica on the regular. But it set a precedence for them man if you know so well, even if nothing was to happen to we, even if them have their identity, right, we can just go back to our country and carry on life like normal. But what do we expect? I mean, Jamaican authorities don't even chase Jamaican to their foreign. With them till they say, mix up in a crime. You think they're going to chase foreign nationals? Not gonna happen. So now that's to make Jamaicans know say the man them gone. And you better know say like that. Move on within life and just pretend you an entire plane never touched down in Jamaican water. Right. With the whole of the back seat them empty out. Not even on Netflix. Not even on Netflix says this. I know, one of the time me even hear them say the plane wasn't destined for Jamaica. But it just so happened to come down in our area that is known for the Diet Coke and the herbs. Of all the places in Jamaica it could have touched down, it just so happened that they were in a region of Jamaica that is known for the Diet Coke and the Diet herbs, as in the transportation, importing and exporting. And right up the road you have airstrip. So, sure it's all a giant coincidence. But at least now the people of Jamaica have closure. We now know the men escaped on a winged unicorn and they were aided and abetted by the Tooth Fairy and the Cookie Monster. What can the Jamaican authorities do? You can't pressure them. They did the best they could. How do you expect them to compete with a winged unicorn? They never had a chance from day one. People of Jamaica need to be reasonable and stop expecting so much. People need to, just like with the whole when the man them bring in the weapon, stop expecting too much from the Jamaican authorities. Why you pressure the people then? We don't expect them to trap barrel. Right? We don't expect to see weapons come in and wharf and them trap the barrel to which part it'll go. We don't expect such foolishness like that. We don't expect say plane come down. Right? And them have the identity of the man them. But them not catch the body and them not go for the body. They're expecting too much. We don't want them to send one extradition request. You people need to be realistic. Right. Remember, it's all about controlling the variables. Right. And if them can't control the variables, even if they have the identity and them know where the man they live, right, not much can be done. Be realistic, people, please. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.